The world's police, military, fire brigades, security companies, and countless other professional organizations know and trust Icom's land mobile radio equipment for their communication needs. The IC-F5062 series is a new multi-mode, multi-featured professional mobile radio designed especially for use in a wide range of markets and applications. The IC-5062 series comes with standard features like conventional analog mode, LTR trunking mode, and NBC 1200 signaling. Also, with the installation of an optional module, simple narrowband digital communication is also possible. 512 channels and 128 zones allow any user to program conventional and LTR trunking channel group configurations as they please. The IC-5062 series is a powerful and flexible tool for any professional requiring absolute reliability in their communication needs. A maximum 24 characters of text can be displayed in 2 lines on the full dot matrix display. The text display preference is up to you, but you can display, for example, the channel name on the top line and the channel text on the bottom, or display the caller's ID and message content. Also, the LCD is backlit for easy viewing in any lighting conditions, whether installed in a vehicle or in a dispatch center. The IC-F5062 series naturally has all of the standard signaling formats you have come to expect, like CTCSS, DTCS, 2-tone, 5-tone, and DTMF. This radio also has NBC 1200 and BIIS 1200 built in, which few of our industry's competitors can claim. In particular, with NBC 1200, PTTID, selective call, radio stun revive, status message, call log, and emergency monitoring functions are all available. Call log lets the user know who is called and when the call was received if they happen to be away from the radio. This means the user will not miss any calls, whether important or mundane. Also, you can use the emergency mic monitor function to monitor the situation in the vicinity of the user or vehicle via the radio's microphone. By pushing the emergency setting button, the radio will automatically switch between transmit and receive, even if the operator is not near the radio. This allows the dispatch to know what is going on at the scene and take the required action immediately. The IC-F5062 series also has BIIS 1200 encode and decode. Text messaging of up to 95 characters from a PC at dispatch is possible to the radio to relay messages. Also, by connecting a GPS receiver, position data can be exchanged. This can be used in a number of applications to track vehicles in a fleet or to relay your position in remote areas. The IC-F5062 series comes loaded with so many useful functions, it is hard to name them all. Built-in inverse voice scrambling or voice scrambling via optional units for communication security, a compander for improved audio in high-noise environments, and a powerful 4-watt front-facing speaker are all on board for fundamental communications quality. Also, a multitude of scanning types with programmable mic hanger settings for various customized scanning are available. Nuisance delete skips channels with high noise or interference to improve scanning performance. detachable controller, high specification plus or minus 1 ppm frequency stability, flash CPU, 70 MHz frequency range, and ignition sense are just a few of the other features available. The IC-F5060 also has 2-option connector slots to extend the radio's functionality. As mentioned, voice scrambler units are available, as is 6.25 kHz narrowband digital capability. Built not only for current systems and applications, the IC-F5060 series also looks to the future digital realm and offers the industry's first ultra-narrowband digital capability in 6.25 kHz channel spacing. For system operators, this allows the opportunity to double system capacity over current 12.5 kHz channels and be in a position to utilize future digital applications as they are developed. A D-sub 25-pin accessory connector is included for extended features like GPS and PC-based applications. Third-party vendor devices and applications can also be utilized with this connector. The IC-F5060 series was designed for use in vehicles naturally, but also on motorcycles. A sturdy and durable aluminum die-cast frame forms the base of this mil specification rugged rig. This radio will take all kinds of punishment, from shock and vibration to extreme temperature changes and moisture abuse. With its IP54 rating for the controller, it is also well protected from water and dust. For all Icom products to be 100% guaranteed operable in minus 30 degree to 60 degrees Celsius range, temperature shock tests are actually carried out in a wider temperature range at our labs. Static electricity, shock, and vibration tests are, of course, part of the total test program. All testing is carried out to meet and exceed the U.S. MIL Standard 810F environmental test criteria. Icom has a number of strict procedures and systems in place to ensure a constant high level of quality in all of our products. From the use of 3D CAD in the concept design stage of engineering, to the use of a GTEM cell to measure prototype products for compliance with standards for electromagnetic compatibility and type approval, this is all done before even a single unit is produced. All prototypes and their main components and PCB assemblies are rigorously checked before a model is to be produced at the factory. This production base is called Wakayama Icom Incorporated. Our ultra-modern factory currently has 9 PCB mounting lines, 8 final assembly lines, and 300 expert workers that can output 110,000 units a month. Wakayama Icom continuously invests in new equipment and facilities in a never-ending drive to improve productivity and quality. The strict quality control procedures are also applied at the factory, beginning with the receiving inspection of parts and components before production, to various inspections on the line during and after production of the finished product. The IC-F5060 series shares this continuously revised dedication to quality with all Icom products. As mentioned, the IC-F5060 series is a transceiver designed for the future as well. Icom offers you the convenience and value of being able to migrate from existing analog to digital two-way radio at your pace. The LTR functionality will allow growing fleets to migrate from conventional to simple trunking. These features mean it is not necessary to replace a whole fleet before its time. With the IC-F3060 series portable radios and a repeater currently under development, you will have a family of tools to build a system that suits your communication needs now and in the future, making your investment in Icom a long-term one. With the IC-F5062 series, you have the basic fundamentals of a world-class professional mobile radio, combined with the reassurance of an upgrade path to new and exciting features and applications in both analog and digital modes. Icom has every confidence that this is the mobile radio for you, and that you will share our opinion that the IC-F5060 series is simply the best of Icom's engineering prowess and quality, provided to you at the best value. Make the smart choice. Choose Icom.